From freight to equipment to building supplies, loads come in all shapes and sizes. And there are many different ways they can be rigged so that a crane can lift them. If we miss a step in the rigging process, things could go seriously wrong. As we all know, anytime we're dealing with cranes, it can be dangerous. Because of the hazards associated with working with cranes, OSHA has had crane safety regulations in force for some time. But until recently, they hadn't been changed for almost 40 years. However, with the crane-related accidents in the construction industry increasing rapidly, in August of 2010, OSHA updated a number of provisions in the construction portions of the regulations to be more in tune with today's sophisticated equipment and operating environments. The crane regulations cover a number of areas, including ground conditions, assembly and disassembly, work around power lines, and inspections. They also address signaling, fall protection, work area control, operator certification, qualifications for signal persons and maintenance personnel, and training. While you should be familiar with all of the provisions of the crane regulations that affect you and the people that you work with, some of the recent changes in the regulations are particularly notable. Before a crane is positioned or assembled, it must be verified that the ground conditions are firm, drained, and graded so that the crane can set up safely. Crane assembly, disassembly, and setup must be overseen by personnel who are competent and qualified. There are new restrictions as to how far a crane must be from power lines when it is being assembled, operating, or traveling. Generally, it must be 20 feet away at all times, but this can vary depending on the amount of current going through the lines. By November 10, 2014, all crane operators must be certified by an accredited testing organization, a licensed government agency, or through a qualified employer program.